Hello, my name is Joey Sheets. I'm with Power Analytics Professional Services. Today, I would like to demonstrate our connectivity to the Eaton Foreseer data acquisition system. As you see on our screen right now, we show our typical Power Analytics dashboard view. For your Foreseer users or for Foreseer system people, you'll notice the Foreseer system typical server view given the Foreseer devices with the specific channels associated with each device. What we have done is we have now integrated our Power Analytics DesignView Gateway product into Foreseer that we may now capture all of the data back to our Power Analytics system using our Gateway Foreseer connector product. So as you see, typical dashboard views now using our DesignView product, picking up the Foreseer data acquisition points. For those familiar with Power Analytics, you'll notice the dashboard view, and then of course the tabs for floor plan, one line, blackboard, as well as the other features available to us. We'll go to the one line view here. Notice we're using Internet Explorer browser. And this shows a typical one-line view for the Power Analytics system. Red showing energized buses, green showing our de-energized buses, and in this case we have gray buses showing equipment that's not being monitored. The nice thing about the Power Analytics DesignView product is that it's able to operate across multiple browser platforms. In this case we show this is the Internet Explorer browser. This is our Mozilla Firefox with the same data connectivity back to Foreseer, Google Chrome, and the last one is the Safari product. Using any one of these browsers can go to multiple screens within the Paladin DesignView product. Go back to our dashboard here. This is again Internet Explorer. And of course we can do this within any of the browser products that are available. This is the Google Chrome product going into the one line. So as I've shown, it's very easy for us to integrate into the Eaton Foreseer system. At that point you'll now see the typical Paladin DesignView client views. And if you have any questions about how to integrate and how we do integrate into the Foreseer product, sure look at our website at poweranalytics.com and underneath the tab shown as Paladin Gateway. Thanks for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you.